Hello guys, welcome to my new video. This is your friend CryptoSats. Hope you all are doing well. So this is a video on my Elites weekly results. So we'll see the results of this week and how we performed in our Elite channel, and also I'll show you the live calls and live results of it so you come to know. So before we start the video, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, just consider subscribing it, and if you like the video, just give a like. And also this is my website for the Martin indicators. If you want to buy, you have lots of variables. One is Martin trend meter if you want only one indicator, or if you want to buy the bundle of 10 which consists of 10 indicators is $375, and stochastic trend and trend meter if you want two indicators, that's $220, and Martin long or short zones and trend candles indicator, that's around $170, and bundle of 8 will cost you $310. You can PayPal me, just click add to cart and check out example, and you can PayPal me. You have PayPal option, so you can PayPal me. So okay guys, let's move on to our video. So let's see how we performed in Elite Forex this week, that is July 6 2020 to July 10 2020. So we'll see how we performed on this week. So in this week we had a total profit of 446 pips and total loss we had of 138 pips. So total profit for the week was 308 pips, whereas we have 5 trades pending which is not yet closed, and the current profit which we are in this pending trade is AUD JPY is 71 pips, Euro GBP is 73 pips, and GBP CHF which is currently running 23 pips profit. So I'll show you these 3 trades which is currently running, and we'll move out to the next to my channel. So let's go. So this is US oil which I have given a trade example, crude oil which I have given short, which is still pending. We had a nice dump to the downside, but unfortunately didn't tag our targets, so we are hopefully waiting for our targets. I gave short around here, so I'll show you in my channel where I have given the short. So it gave a nice push to the downside, but again it just recovered itself. So let's see how it's gonna come, so I'll manage the trade accordingly. So as of now this trade is pending, it is around our entry price. So next one is Euro GBP, which is currently we are in 45 pips profits. Euro GBP, you can see I gave a short over here, and market nicely moved down, and it just not yet triggered our target. We have 2 targets in place, so once we reach the first target we'll just start trailing the stop loss in order to get the maximum benefit till the second target, which is also a golden zone. So we are waiting for this. Highly possible that these targets to be hit in the coming week. So this is pending yet, not yet closed, and we are currently in 45 pips profit. And next is AUD JPY, which we are in currently 71 pips profit. Our first target is around 243 pips. That's a very good trade for us, and I have given a safe traders target which is about this support zone. You can see this green line, that is a support, so which is shown by the Martin support or resistance zones. It will automatically plot you the supports and resistance. So currently we are in an impulsive move towards the downside, which will automatically reach the price over here, and currently we are in 71 pips profit in this close. The trade is not yet closed, so in keeping that in mind, we are currently in. So if we add this to the total profits for the week, it will come around 500 pips, which is our weekly target. So this will be added up in the next week, these profits. So let's see. So first trade was CAD JPY, GBP AUD, GBP CHF, where last week's trade, which I have shown in my previous video. So CAD JPY, you can see here that targets were hit. I'll show you this in my channel. I'll just make it a bit larger. I'll hide this. Come on, yeah. Sorry guys, bear with me. Yeah, we are ready to go. So I'll just go to my channel. This is my Elite Forex channel. We are 42 members in my channel. I give calls on them. Let me introduce that first. I give calls on Forex. I give you entry, targets and stop loss, and timely I manage the trades, and I give you the reason why we take that trade. So this was a CAD JPY, which is I told my members to book profits at this range, which you can see 24 pips. So we had this trade was open over here, which I gave a long signal. So on 2nd July, so we just closed that trade. So CAD JPY, you can see 24 pips. And next was GBP AUD. It was also a pending trade from the last week, which I told to close on Monday on this profit, that is around 43 pips, because we just spotted a bullish divergence. So we just exited the trade with 43 pips profit. You can see I'll just show you guys. So you can see we shorted over here and we exited over here, which was around 43 pips. And next was GBP CHF, and I changed the stop loss and the first target so that we just exit the trade as soon as possible, because GBP pairs were looking bullish this week. So we just exited this trade with around 32 pips. So that was, I just changed my targets around this 0.382 fib ratios, so that we just exit that trade. So yeah, so first trade which we had this week was Euro GBP. I'll show you. We had a long signal. You can see here I gave a long signal for the targets over here, this one. And example how I give a trade is, I just mark this profit or loss tool. So you can see on the right side, this green one is the target and this black one is the entry and this red one is the stop loss. Okay guys, so I'll just show Euro GBP. We had a long. Next we had a gold long, which was this around $7. We had a target of $7 of this trade. Come on, gold. Next was AUD JPY. This is still pending. So swing setup. This was a swing setup I just gave in my group, because we were looking for a big profits. It is currently in wave C. So we were aiming for a very big targets. So it's on hold, which is currently on profit on 71 pips. So this is AUD JPY. Next terms are CHF JPY long, which was, I'll just show you the signal. This was the long I have given to my private channel, shared in my private channel to take this trade setup. And next comes is GBP JPY long. This was a scalp trade, so quick trade. Next comes AUD CAD, which was this AUD CAD. I'll just show you. We had a long over here. So next comes, so gold, the targets were hit, which I showed you before. It just hit in 3 hours maximum, or sorry, 2 hours after our entry. So that was a very good trade we had that week, last week. So this one, gold 75 pips, because we had a profit of $7.4, which is converted in pips, it would be 75 pips. Next GBP CHF, which was this short I told you guys, I showed you. So the targets were hit. If you want to see which one what that trade was, I'll just show you guys once. This was the trade which I told you about. So that targets were hit. GBP CHF. Next was no, this was just a learning purpose. CHF JPY, which was this trade, this long setup which I gave on 6th of July, this long setup, which the targets were clearly hit over here, you can see here. So this was a target hit which we grabbed around 28 pips in that trade. Next comes Euro GBP, which was this one, this long first signal of the week, which we had a nice 39 pips profit. You can see the profits. I'll show you the signal as well. So this was the signal and this was the target hit result of that call. Next comes GBP JPY, which we had a stop loss hit which gave us a 30 pips loss, which I have marked here. GBP JPY, I'll show you which one. That scalp trade which I was talking about, we just hit our stop loss. That was bad though, never mind. So let's move on to the next. Next we had a crude oil short. Seeing this rising wedge, we shorted over here, which is around 40.39. so it went but never hit our targets, so we are waiting for our targets to hit. So this trade is pending as of now, it's not yet closed, which is this. Yeah. So next comes oh, I missed this one, AUD CAD, which I gave on 6th of July on Monday. So AUD CAD long I gave. Oh, this was the trade, AUD CAD Canadian dollar. So it went hit our targets, giving us 22 pips. You can see here the targets were hit. So 22 pips. Next comes CAD CHF short. Sorry, AUD NZD is our next signal, which is short, which I gave a short on this note. So yeah, AUD NZD short, and that was targeted. I'll show the result later. This was CAD CHF. I gave a short. We had a very good risk reward ratio on this trade. Just loss was just hardly 5 to 6 pips, but targets were good. So that was a very good trade we had last week, CAD CHF. And I told my guys that hold this trade with the given stop loss. It's gonna make you rich in coming weeks or days, because AUD JPY was clear. It was very neat. The trade was, and Euro GBP. This was a setup I was just posting in my channel. AUD CHF I gave a short, which is pending still. I'll show you that. AUD CHF, which is still pending, not yet closed. I just lowered the stop loss. So this trade is pending yet, and we are in 4 pips. It went down, but it is finding hard to break this support zone. So hopefully in the coming weeks it will hit our targets, because momentum is bearish, as you can see. Sorry, momentum is bullish, but hopefully I feel that it will just hit our targets in coming days. So it is pending, this trade, and even if this hits our stop loss, our stop loss is hardly 14 pips, so never mind, I'll let this trade open. So yeah, next is Euro USD. I gave a short, but eventually it went and hit our stop loss, which we had a 23 pips loss on this trade. Euro USD. Next comes Euro GBP. We had a very tight stop loss on this trade, just a 5 pips stop loss. I gave a long signal, but it hit the stop loss. It never went up. So we had a loss on this Euro GBP. Next comes AUD NZD, which I told you this trade we had a 37 pips profit. You can see the targets were hit over here. So that was a good trade. AUD NZD short 37 pips. Next comes Euro JPY short, and that hit our stop loss, giving us a 40 pips loss on this trade. It just reversed and went to the upside, and then it dumped. It just went, tested, hunted our stop loss, and then it just dumped. That's very bad. So Euro JBP, that was our JPY, sorry, Euro JPY, our stop loss was hit 40 pips. Next comes Euro GBP short, which is pending yet, and we are currently in 73 pips profit, which I showed you guys earlier. So we are waiting for this targets to hit. So next comes GBP CAD long. I gave a long signal on this one. I also shared this analysis on my free Telegram channel, like a video. So we had a long on this one, and we had a nice 50 pips profit. Then we had a short on gold, which went and hit our stop loss and giving us a $4 stop loss hit, $4 loss, which I marked as 40 pips loss. And Euro USD, as I said, it was hit, stop loss hit. Gold was stop loss hit. CAD CHF, which was this trade setup, it went and hit our targets. I'll show you this trade. This one, which we had a very tight stop loss and very good risk reward ratio, so we won that trade, which was, where is it, yeah, this one. So we had a nice trade on that one. Next comes our Euro NZD short. I gave a short on this Euro NZD, and that was very fast. it hit our targets very fast. And GBP CAD, we had a long, which I showed here. This signal went and hit our targets. GBP CAD, where are you? Yeah, and I told to exit earlier, which gave us 50 pips profit. So at that point of time it was 50 pips, but eventually it went and hit our targets. But it's good to get what the market gives us, so we just exited earlier in this trade, which gave us a 50 pips. And Euro NZD, as I said you guys, that this trade it went and hit our target. You can see very fast. That was just in 1 hour we just made around 57 pips. That was a very good trade. And GBP CHF, I posted this in my channel as well, free channel as well, this setup. It was forming a nice inverse head and shoulders pattern. It formed, broke out, retesting, and it's possibly in coming days it can move up towards here. I gave a long setup on this as well in my channel, and with a very tight stop loss, and we are already in profits. I'll show you guys that. We are in profits yet, so our targets were not yet hit, but eventually in coming days it will just go and hit the targets. I'm 100% sure on this trade that this would hit the stop targets. So yeah, this was the total trade of the week we had. So total was around, so we made around 308 pips as of now, but calculating this as well, we just reached our weekly targets, which is minimum of 500 pips. So that's it guys, this is my video update on my Elite channel. So if you guys are interested to join, you can join us in my Elite channel. You get, in your busy schedule, you get just whenever I just post, you get entry, targets and stop loss. So you just need to blindly place them and just forget it, and you just see end of the day whether it has hit our targets or profits. So if you do this weekly, you will just at the end of the week you will be in nice profits. So hope you guys like this video, and thank you. Have a nice day.